Keeping your pool crystal clear can feel impossible when chlorine and pH levels keep bouncing all over the place, especially with dirt and pollen piling up every single day. So here's the deal. First, test your chlorine, pH, and stabilizer levels daily to catch any sudden drops early. Use a reliable test kit, not those cheap strips that can lie to you. Next, make sure your filter is running long enough. Ideally 8 to 12 hours a day during heavy pollen or dirt season. If you've got a sand filter, backwash it every few days to flush out trapped debris, but don't overdo it because that wastes water and messes up chemical balance. Vacuum your pool regularly, even if you have a robot skimmer. Robots can miss some spots or struggle with fine grit. Add chlorine gradually rather than dumping a bunch at once so it dissolves evenly and keeps levels steady. Also, check the filter parts for cracks or tears. If grit is coming through jets, something's not filtering right. Finally, consider adding a bit of diatomaceous earth powder to your filter system for extra fine particle capture, especially if sand alone isn't cutting it. One of the biggest mistakes people make with pool maintenance is ignoring their filter's condition. Cracked laterals or torn screens let sand and grit into the pool, causing cloudy water and constant dirt buildup. Fix this by having a pro inspect and replace damaged parts immediately. Another common issue is relying on chemical adjustments alone without addressing mechanical problems, like a malfunctioning pump or clogged filter. Chemicals won't fix poor circulation or filtration. Make sure your pump and filter are working properly and clean them regularly. Lastly, many pool owners don't stick to a consistent cleaning routine during pollen-heavy months, which lets debris accumulate fast. Stay on top of vacuuming and skimming daily to keep the water clear. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid resource for homeowners looking to find trusted local contractors who know their stuff when it comes to pool repairs and maintenance. It also helps contractors connect with new clients easily, making sure the right pros get hired for the job.